Here's some geometric origami trivia. Subscribe. Which method involves folding paper in such a way that it can return to its original form? Is it A, permanent creasing, B, static folding, C, one-way pleating, or D, reversible folding? The correct answer is D, reversible folding. Who is known for developing origami mathematics? Is it A, Robert Lang, B, John Doe, C, Frank Miller, or D, Alice Smith? The correct answer is A, Robert Lang. What type of origami focuses on the properties of paper folding systems? Is it A, decorative folds, B, classic origami, C, mathematical origami, or D, paper sculpture? The correct answer is C, mathematical origami. Which mathematician introduced the idea of origami as a method for solving problems? Is it A, J. Barrie Schwartz, B, Leonardo da Vinci, C, Robert Lang, or D, Henri Poincaré? The correct answer is A, J. Barrie Schwartz. Which polygon often serves as the basis for many origami designs? Is it A, octagon, B, rectangle, C, rhombus, or D, triangle? The correct answer is D, triangle. What specific term describes folding paper into a three-dimensional shape? Is it A, quilling, B, papier-mâché, tessellation, or D, kite making? The correct answer is C, tessellation. Which origami model replicates the shape of a traditional Japanese folding fan? Is it A, senbazuru, B, cranes, C, koi fish, or D, samurai sword? The correct answer is A, senbazuru. What type of origami design creates interlocking pieces? Is it A, tessellation, B, papier-mâché, C, folding art, or D, kirigami? The correct answer is D, kirigami. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.